Here I have Motorola One, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the phone dialer. Then tap on More icon, the three dots one in the upper corner, so just tap on this icon and then select the settings. Here you have to pick blocked numbers, so it's here. And now simply by tapping on Add a number, you can add some particular number to this blacklist. So just enter it, and once the particular number is typed, just tap on block. And since now you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to delete it from this list, just tap on the cross icon over here and confirm that you would like to unblock this number. So just tap on unblock, and now this number will be able to reach you. So actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.